The MARTY Slim 4-tier utility cart is a real lifesaver. This rolling storage cart is like a silent butler. It glides into narrow spaces. It makes organization simple. Furthermore, its black finish looks sleek. It fits many decors. Imagine reclaiming cluttered corners. This cart helps so much. Moreover, the handle makes moving easy. It's truly a versatile solution. For instance, it works in the kitchen. It also shines in the bathroom. Even laundry rooms benefit. This cart is a small footprint hero. However, its slim design is key. The MARTY Slim 4-tier utility cart slides effortlessly. It fits beside your fridge. It tucks next to your toilet. This cart is like a chameleon. It adapts to its surroundings. You gain valuable storage, but you don't lose floor space. Consequently, spices, toiletries, and detergents find a home. Everything stays neat. Everything stays accessible. Therefore, no more digging. No more searching. This organizer trolley is a true space saver. Finally, assembly is a breeze. It's not a complicated puzzle. You'll have it ready quickly. Furthermore, the wheels roll smoothly. They don't scuff your floors. This MARTY Slim 4-tier utility cart is built well. It feels sturdy. It holds a good amount. Thus, it's perfect for small apartments. It's also great for tiny homes. So, if you need extra storage, consider this cart. It's a smart purchase. It will make your life easier. Pros: great space saver, fits well in tight spaces, holds a lot of items, very convenient to use. Rolls out easily, sturdy and good quality, easy assembly, accurate instructions, all parts and tools included. Functional and stylish. Cons: wheels don't pivot, shows fingerprints, received used damaged item, difficult assembly. Shelving heights limit taller items, poor quality, unstable, exposed screws with mismatched stickers, not smooth like images. Features: black color, includes wheels, slim profile, slide-out design, integrated handle. Multi-purpose utility, suitable for narrow spaces, easy to organize, durable construction. The MARTY 4-tier rolling storage cart is a black, slim cart with wheels that helps you organize things in small spaces. It has a handle and slides out easily, making it great for narrow areas like the kitchen, laundry room, or bathroom. This durable cart is a simple way to keep your stuff tidy. The MARTY 4-tier black kitchen cart is a slim, wheeled storage unit designed to fit into narrow spaces like those in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, making it a great space saver. It's praised for holding many items, being convenient to use, and rolling out easily. Users generally find it sturdy, good quality, and easy to assemble with clear instructions and all necessary parts included. However, some users have noted that the wheels don't pivot. It shows fingerprints, and it can be received used or damaged. Other concerns include difficult assembly for some, shelving heights that limit taller items, poor stability, visible screws with mismatched stickers, and a less smooth appearance than advertised.